Hello everyone! Ngayon naman ang gagawin natin ay gagamitin natin ang Zoom para i-record ang ating screen, or ang tawag dyan is screencast or video screen capture or screen recording. So kapag wala kayong ibang device or app na gagamitin, pwede nyo gamitin ang Zoom para i-record nyo yung mga lessons nyo or para gawin yung asynchronous yung klase nyo. So, ang gagawin nyo, syempre, i-switch on mo lang yung new meeting. So, palalakihin mo lang yung screen. And then, after that, hintayin mo lang na mag-load yung screen. And then, you're just gonna press screen. I'm just gonna choose this one kasi ayokong buong screen yung ipapakita ko. So, ito na siya. Okay, so for example, yan yung gusto kong i-record na screen. Okay, like so. Okay, papalalakihin ko lang yung screen na. In the previous video na ginawa ko, ito ay option sa Zoom para pilihin kung gaano yung size na i-re-record nyo. Kasi, pag yung itong option, okay, stop share screen ko muna para makita nyo. Kasi kung itong option ang gagamitin nyo, for example, itong basic, tapos itong screen, ang kukuhanin niya yung buong screen ninyo. Siguro may mga ayaw kayong ipakita, may mga private things na ayaw nyong makita dun sa screen nyo. Ang ginagamit ko lagi ay pupunta ako sa advance at portion of screen and then share para pwede ko siyang i-resize. I think in my previous video, pinakita ko din doon kung paano. So after that, kung napili mo na kung gaanong size, kung gusto mo ito or yung gaano kalaki, so ang gagamitin ko, siguro i-measure ko to this size para ito lang yung makikita dun sa recording before ko ipapress yung record. Okay? Like so. Okay. Alright. Ayan. Ayan na yung size. So, later on, pag makikita nyo, ganito lang yung makikita dun sa screen share. So, after that, pag na-decide ko na yan, so, actually, pwede ko nang i-record siya. So, I have to go back here, and then I'm gonna press record. Okay? Oops. Alright. That's reminding me to get up already. Okay, so press record. And then I'm just gonna unmute myself para marinig. Tapos, once that's done, it is already recording. So remember in the previous video, if you want to know kung paano mag-record using a Zoom, you just click the sign above this, and then you click it, and then it will show you how to do your recording. Okay, so once this is recording, ito na yung time, pinapakita kung gaano start. Tapos, itong dot na parang red, ito yung signal or symbol na nag-screen recording na kayo. So after that, so what you're gonna do is, of course, turn to your next slide, and then your next slide, and then you just have to talk. So for example, okay, let's just test later on kung anong magiging outcome ng recording ko. Okay, so any LA's presentation, today is the 24th of June 2020, Wednesday. So what are you going to learn today? This is your learning objective, how to use the record function in Zoom to screencast. So after this video recording, this is what you are able to do. This is your success criteria. This is how you'll know that you are able to meet the learning objective. At the end, I can screen record and I can use the recording function of Zoom to screencast. Okay, so for example, tapos na yung recording mo. So you just have to stop. Here, go here, stop recording. Ayan na siya. Okay, so dun sa Zoom, may mag-automatic na magpapakita doon na you are stopping your or you are converting your recording. Okay, I'll show you how to do that. So if you exit this, okay, Okay, so if you exit this end, di ba, ito yung meeting, pinas ko lang yung meeting para i-record to. So you're gonna press end meeting for all. Automatic na magko-convert na siya. Ayan na. Magko-convert na siya at mag-auto-save siya sa iyong computer kung saan mo siya gustong ilagay. Alright, so here is the saved Zoom session yung ginawa natin. So this is the sample, okay? So I'm gonna show you how it would look like. Okay, so this is it. Para marinig. Tapos, once that's done, it is already recording. So remember in the previous video, so ito actually yung product na na-record natin using Zoom. O, di ba? Ang galing. So, actually, you can do a lot of things with Zoom. You just have to use the hacking procedure para magamit mo siya in full measure. Okay, so I hope this helped a lot. If you find this very helpful, please help me to like this video and also to subscribe under my channel, MELA. Okay, so just help me subscribe. You just click it. Para naman, you can also watch several of the videos that I've made about Zoom. So this is just one of them. For this series, I'm just focusing on the platform Zoom, and then next one will be Skype. And we'll see how we're gonna do some resources and also other online useful resources to help with our remote and online learning. Okay, so have a good day, and I hope you can use this hack in your screencasting. Bye!